तो बच्चों इस वीडियो में हम लोग log फंक्शन पढ़ेंगे। log ऑफ b टू द बेस a इज इक्वल टू c। इसका क्या मतलब रहता है? a raised to c इज इक्वल टू b। ओके, a raised to c इज इक्वल टू b। और इसी को लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्मेट में हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? log of b to the base a is equal to c, and a and b should be positive and a should not be equal to 1. So these are some conditions that must be met before we use the logarithmic function. A and b should be positive. Okay, so let us have a look at some of the examples. Log of 4 to the base 2, we can write this as 2 raised to x is equal to 4, and then x value is comes out to be 2. So log of 1000 to the base 10, we can write it in this format: 10 raised to x is equal to 1000. So x comes out to be 3. So how we are calculating the value of x is based upon this logarithmic function. Okay, in the definition itself they have given log of b to the base a is equal to c. We can write this in the format of a raised to c is equal to b. Then log of under root of 3 to the base 3, we can write this as 3 raised to x is equal to under root of 3, and then x becomes 1 half. Next is log of 1 upon 8 to the base 2. We can write this as 2 raised to x is equal to 1 upon 8. So x becomes minus 3, because 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 2 raised to 3 is equal to 1 upon 8, and that's how we have calculated the value of x to be minus 3. Then log of 16 to the base 1 upon 4. We can write this as 1 upon 4 raised to x is equal to 16, and that's why value of x comes out to be minus 2. Then log of under root of 8 to the base 2, we can write this as 2 raised to x is equal to under root of 8. Then x becomes 3 upon 2. Here we can say 2 raised to 3 upon 2 is equal to under root of 8. So 8 raised to 1 half is equal to under root of 8, and then that's how under root of 8 becomes under root of 8. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Then log of under root of 8 to the base 4, we can write it as 4 raised to x is equal to under root of 8, and then x becomes 3 divided by 4. Next is log of under root of 8 to the base 8. We can write this as 8 raised to x is equal to under root of 8. So the value of x becomes 1 half. So all these examples can be solved based upon the logarithmic function. So if you know this formula, log of b to the base a is equal to c, we can write it as a raised to c is equal to b. Based upon this, we can solve all these problems. And also remember that a and b value should be greater than 0, that is positive, and a cannot be equal to 1.